How do you introduce a new policy that affects your employees without scaring them? What reactions you should expect when you're implementing a change? And finally, how can you make a change more comfortable? You can find the answers to all these questions in our previous video, which is called 7 Top Models for the Most Efficient Change Management Plan. This time, we will finish exploring the ways that can help you in making informed decisions about key business processes and learn from our change management expert to choose the correct change management plan. We remind you that if you subscribe to the Integrity Vision channel, you're going to see more videos and shorts on digital business transformation, management, cybersecurity, and other integral parts of business success. To make sure you don't miss out, subscribe to our channel now. And of course, we'd be grateful if you liked this video. So let's begin with part 2 of our topic of 7 top models for the most effective change management. First one on our list is Lewin's change management model. This model breaks down into 3 crucial steps. First one is unfreeze, which means to prepare for the change, analyze how your business currently operates, and communicate the upcoming change to employees. The second step in this model is change, which means to implement the change and support your people throughout the process. The third step is to refreeze, which means to develop a system to monitor the implementation of the change and evaluate how the new process is working. The next change management model is called ADKAR. This model is an acronym for the outcomes required for a successful change. In this acronym, A stands for awareness of the need for the organizational change. D stands for desire to participate and support the change. K stands for knowledge of how to make change happen. A stands for ability to implement the skills and behaviors required for the change. And R stands for reinforcements to ensure that the change is sustainable. And the final model is Dr. Kotter's 8-step change model. This model focuses on guiding leaders through the process of initiating a change. Firstly, you need to create a sense of urgency. Secondly, you need to build a change team. Thirdly, you need to define your strategic vision. Afterwards, remove the barriers. The next step is to create short-term goals and wins. Finally, you need to maintain momentum. And the last step is to sustain your changes. And now that you've finally got to know all the models, you're probably wondering which one is the best and most effective. This is why we're inviting our expert Olha to help you decide how to choose the best option for you, which is based on her many years of experience in this field.
There are 7 main change management models. You can choose what suits you best for those changes that you are going to implement, but I would suggest that you should combine it with Kubler-Ross change curve that will help people to adapt the changes that you are going to implement in your organization.
We thank Olha for her views. And now that we're finished with this section, it concludes this topic. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments, as we will be happy to answer them. By the way, if you want to implement any changes in your business processes, then we have many solutions for your company. Comprehensive IT solutions is what we've successfully been providing for past 14 years. You can tell us about your needs in a 15-minute call on Zoom, and our experts will tell you what's waiting for you. Contact details can be found in profile header and description of this video.